Hello everyone, my name is Vaishali Thakre. I am working as an assistant professor, Department of Physics, Shri Pundlik Maharaj Mahavidyalaya Nandura, District Bultana. I am presenting author and it's a audio video recording of poster presentation Mint IWC SET 2020. And the title of my poster presentation is Fabrication of Polyvinyl Alcohol Scaffold Using Electrospinning Technique. In recent years, biomaterials research is an area of intense scientific interest due to a wide variety of potential application in tissue engineering field. Biomaterials are being successfully used to repair or replace the damaged or diseased part in a human body, which in turn help to improve the quality and span of human life. Polymers play very important role as a biomaterials, and electrospinning is a simple and efficient technique which is widely used for the fabrication of polymer nanofiber scaffold. Electrospin nanofiber scaffold of natural, synthetic and hybrid polymers has been successfully used as a biomaterial in tissue engineering field for a various applications. Nanofiber remains an important division of biomaterial due to a wide range of tissue engineering application. Nanofiber have advantage over the traditional scaffold because of increased surface to volume ratio, which increase the cell scaffold interaction. The size and three dimensionality of this fiber mimic the extracellular matrix, thereby increase the adherence of cell on scaffold, promote the migration and the proliferation of cells, as a result improve the material property. And the polyvinyl alcohol is a highly hydrophilic, non-toxic and biocompatible semi-crystalline polymer with the excellent property for the tissue engineering application. In the present study, we have investigated polyvinyl alcohol scaffold for the fiber diameter, fiber morphology using the field effect scanning microscopy. In vitro biocompatibility assessment was performed using the 3T3 fibroblast cell. Polyvinyl alcohol scaffold was found to be non-toxic. Also, there was found the cell growth and the proliferations on the surface of polyvinyl scaffold. Nanofiber scaffold designed for the bone regeneration application should essentially mimic the vital roles of natural tissue. However, the conventional scaffold lack